In this video, what I have here is an electric portable outdoor camping shower set. This is a very cool item here. This is a self-contained kind of shower that actually pumps water and all of that. And this is the new generation version. And looking over the box, it doesn't look like there's much to it right here, but we'll just open it up. Looks like you get a little mesh bag for containment. And this right here, well, that definitely is a shower head. Well, it looks like a shower head anyway. And this, I bet you, is the actual part, the pump part. There we go. Oh yeah, that's definitely a pump part. There, check out that. I can't wait to get this thing fired up. That must be some sort of hanger type device. There's a filter of some sort. This is the hose, obviously. Gotta make sure we don't lose that. Some little washer right there. Let me lay all this stuff out, go over the instruction manual here, and then we'll go and we'll see kind of what this thing is, because it has a temperature display, it's got a battery level. It's a pretty cool little setup. So let's put this thing together now. Okay, let me show you where we're at on this thing. So it's pretty simple. All you do is screws this part of the hose down in there, and there's a little washer that you want to make sure is on this one right here. All very simple. Make sure that little washer is on there. I don't know how well you can see it. Line that up and then just screw it down on there. And this is, believe it or not, everybody, that's the complete unit. So down in here is a filter where this can go, so it'll actually filter out. This is just a hanger piece. This is nothing, I'm not gonna use this right now, but you would hang it up on the wall. And this right here kind of goes down in there like that. And to turn it on, all you're gonna do is hold this down and check it out. We've got Fahrenheit up here. I can turn it all the way up. There's it on 10, we're at 60 degrees, 94% on my battery. This is rechargeable, right there's the battery. Now you wanna make sure that's covered completely, because you're gonna submerge this whole thing down inside of a bucket or some sort of water source, maybe even a creek or something like that. And then you've got your switch right here for turning different speeds on. So let me go ahead, shut it off. Let's take it out here. I have a 5-gallon bucket with some water in there, and obviously I'm not gonna take a shower, but I'm gonna show you guys using this thing. So let's go do that now. So what I have here is my rain collection barrel. You see where my gutter goes right here. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna take a shower with this water. This is rainwater. So here's what you're gonna do. Let me show you how this thing works. The basic premise of this is you turn it on. Whoa, look at that. It's already spraying, everybody. I'm gonna use it to water my flower bed. Look at this thing. So look down in there. Can you see? I don't know how well you can see it. It's floating down in there. And here's the whole shower. Let's see what we can do when we turn this. There's the off. Oh, there's the on. Everybody, this is awesome. This is exactly what I've been needing. But when I travel, I do a lot of van camping, and sometimes I need a place to take a shower. And honestly, I would just have use a little creek and use this right here as my shower. Wow, this thing works great. I can't get over how well this thing works. Now it still says we're at 60 degrees. I don't know how well you can see it down there. Let me turn this off. So now we're turned off. So, oh, it's going down. The temperature is going down. So you can really turn it down. So I've turned it down to a lower setting. It looks like I'm on setting 2. It is noticeably different. See, look, I'm completely on. Let me turn this thing back up to setting 10 and show you the difference. So if you just wanted to do it kind of like low, like this, maybe if you're washing dishes or something, you don't want to go a lot, this would work out great for that. So you see back here, you got 1, 2, and 3. 3 pattern seems to be the best. 1, it looks like it's more like a focus in the center there. And then, yeah, there's 1, it's more centered focus. Let's try to get Millie, there she comes. And then you do it there. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a travel shower while they're camping or on the go somewhere. If nothing else, when you're coming off the beach and you want to wash off your feet or something like that, I think it'd be great for that, keeping sand off your feet. And have a 5-gallon bucket of water, just scoop it out and you can wash anything off. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the portable electric shower. with thermometer gauge, adjustable. See you on the next video.